Nice morning for it. Today's walk is from the bottom of this valley up to, not the top bit, there where the tree line is, across to near that big peak there but the other side, and then down and then back to my place up there. Just at the base of the walk now. It goes where the cable car goes, over the top, and then just a bit further up it's about 4,300 feet, and then the walk begins across the balcony, so I'll see you at the top hopefully. Bye. Is all the sweat worth it? Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Got to the top now. I'm going to take this path here. Cross all that there. See the zigzag down there maybe. And then down the other side. See? Hey Bri, remember this walk? Pretty special. Pretty dangerous sometimes. But pretty beautiful. Some nice autumn colours going on here. Very nice. On the way down now, and the only noise is those waterfalls, which are amazing. Yeah, anyway.